Keep your air conditioning system cooling properly with professional AC refrigerant services in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania from PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, helping restore cooling performance, improve efficiency, and comfort. Our experienced technicians inspect refrigerant levels, check for leaks, and recharge your system when needed using the correct refrigerant type. Proper refrigerant service helps prevent unnecessary strain on your equipment, improve energy efficiency, and maintain consistent indoor comfort throughout the season. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a AC refrigerant services near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What are AC refrigerant services? AC refrigerant services include inspecting, repairing leaks, and recharging your air conditioning system to restore proper cooling, improve efficiency, and prevent unnecessary wear on important HVAC components year after year. What causes refrigerant leaks in an air conditioner? Refrigerant leaks are commonly caused by corrosion, loose connections, damaged coils, vibration, or aging components. Professional inspection helps identify the source before repair, and refrigerant recharge restore reliable cooling performance. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our AC refrigerant services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania AC Refrigerant Services office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.